Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to edit YouTube Shorts in Videoleap. Videoleap is a powerful mobile editing app that allows you to create professional vertical videos directly from your phone with features like trimming, transition, text animations, effects and the music tools. It's perfect for the creating short form content like YouTube Shorts. If you want smooth, engaging, high quality shots, this step-by-step guide will help you edit them properly in a Videoleap. So first, YouTube Shorts are the vertical videos up to 60 seconds long designed for the quick engagement content. So now let's start editing. First, open to your Videoleap app on your device, and after that you can either tap on the new project or you can select any of the draft here and your clip will appear in the timeline. And make sure the clip is vertical, and this ensures your video displays properly on the YouTube Shorts. And you can also keep your shot fast and engaging. You can tap a clip to trim it, drag edges to cut unwanted parts just beside it on the right side, and rearrange the clip by dragging them. Simply hold any of the clip and simply put together where you want to. And the best practice is keep your shot between 10 to 30 seconds for the better retention. If you want to add music or the sound effects, you can tap on the audio on the bottom here and you can select to any of the music as you want to, and simply tap on the music and it will automatically put down in the editing timeline. And after everything editing has been done, you can tap on the export in the top right, and that is it. Now you can upload to your YouTube Shorts as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.